Most welcome student. Today topic is electrophilic substitution reaction. And in electrophilic substitution reaction is halogenation. Benzene is react with chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Then form a chlorobenzene and HCl. Now after that I am coming in a mechanism of the reaction. You always remember that there are the three maximum thing in any type of organic reaction. First one is the substrate, second one is attacking reagent, and the third one is catalyst. And here attacking reagent is react with catalyst AlCl3. Attacking reagent Cl2 is non-polar. It become polar in presence of AlCl3, which has a deficiency of electron. So due to its attraction it become a polar, and it give hydrolytic fission Cl plus and Cl minus, and Cl minus is coming with AlCl3 in form AlCl4 minus and Cl plus. यहाँ पर Cl2 नॉन पोलर होता है, AlCl3 जिसके पास ऑक्टेट इनकम्प्लीट है, 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, उसकी अट्रैक्शन की वजह से ये पोलर हो गया और हेट्रोलिटिक फ्यूजन दिया जिसे Cl प्लस और Cl माइनस बना. ये Cl माइनस AlCl3 के साथ आता है और बनाता है AlCl4 माइनस और Cl प्लस. Cl प्लस इज इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. इट अटैक ऑन अ बेंजीन रिंग. बेंजीन रिंग में अटैक करता है. सो द पाई बॉन्ड इज शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड वेयर द Cl प्लस वन इज कमिंग. वहां पे आता है जहां पर Cl प्लस अटैक करता है, क्योंकि Cl प्लस के पास डिफिशियंसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन and it attack over here. Then form a transition state first. Clear? And positive charge is produced in a benzene ring. Benzene ring में positive charge produce होता है. It gives the resonating structure which given in the structure first, second and the third. After that we have find out bond length of H plus is a bigger than Cl plus. It means it is a weakly attached with a benzene ring in comparison to Cl. So it easily break, and after that form chlorobenzene and H plus. And H plus react with AlCl4 minus, then form HCl and AlCl3. This is a mechanism. It also find out with the help of graph. Here we see that there are the two transition state first and transition state second. In the transition state first, E has a positive charge, and transition second, H has a positive charge. And here we find out enthalpy of transition first is greater than enthalpy of transition state second. We know that which has lower enthalpy, which is more stable. It means second one is a more stable in comparison to first one. And intermediate form is also produced, which is given in the graph. And difference between the energy of transition state first and transition state second, this is called enthalpy of the reaction. This diagram is also called enthalpy diagram or representation of reaction, which explained by graph. Clear? इन दोनों में जो ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा उसकी एंथैल्पी कम होगी, तो इसलिए ट्रांजिशन स्टेट सेकंड ज्यादा स्टेबल है ट्रांजिशन स्टेट फर्स्ट से, और बीच में इंटरमीडिएट बना है. और लास्ट प्रोडक्ट हम लोग देख रहे हैं क्या है इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैच्ड इन अ बेंजीन रिंग, मीन्स अ प्रोडक्ट. जैसे यहाँ पे Cl है तो E माने Cl अटैच्ड होगा. दिस ग्राफ ड्रॉ बिटवीन एंथैल्पी एंड प्रोग्रेस ऑफ रिएक्शन मीन्स रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. क्लियर? So this is the mechanism and the reaction of electrophilic substitution reaction. Clear? In the next video I am coming with next topic. Thank you.